Hello and welcome back to Insta Electronics. So recently I purchased these two satellite speakers for a very low price. In fact, the subwoofer was also available, but it was completely damaged. This was a completely dead unit. They were about to give it to the scrapyard, so I picked it up for a very low price. The subwoofer was almost destroyed completely. The wooden casing was completely wet. It was complete. It was coming apart, and even the subwoofer paper was damaged. So and the transformer was not good at all. So I didn't pick up the subwoofer section. I just picked up these two satellite speakers for a very low price. So let's try to restore this thing, because when I bought this thing I tested it with a multimeter and it was showing 4 ohms. So that's the only reason I picked it up. So let's restore it and let's see how good the sound quality really is, because at that time, since there is nothing else I can connect this to test the sound output, I just bought it blindly just by checking the resistance of the speakers. And if you don't want to see the restoration part, you can skip to the last section, so you will see directly what is the result. Anyway, let's watch the video.